Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 13th, 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In Venezuela, access to the cryptocurrency exchange Binance and the social media platform X has been blocked amid ongoing unrest following disputed presidential election results. The anti-censorship organization Infiltro reported a DNS block affecting Binance's website and mobile app. Despite the block, Binance reassures users that their funds are safe and that they are closely monitoring the situation. The exchange's peer-to-peer service is particularly popular in Venezuela due to the devaluation of the bolivar. This block comes shortly after President Nicolas Maduro announced a 10-day ban on access to X following a public dispute with Elon Musk. Other services, including Signal, have also been reported blocked. The unrest stems from the July 28th presidential election, where Maduro claimed victory, but his rival, Edmundo Gonzalez, alleged he won. The election results have not been recognized by several countries, and protests continue. Infiltro advises Venezuelans to use VPNs to bypass restrictions. The Ethereum ecosystem is focusing on improving interoperability through the development of a unified superchain. The goal is to create a seamless user experience where individuals don't need to worry about which chain they are using. Currently, communication between chains relies on L1 Ethereum, which is costly and slow. To address these issues, plans for native interoperability are underway, allowing assets and users to move freely across the superchain. This involves implementing a message passing protocol, a universal token standard, and an interop fault-proof system. The roadmap includes launching a DevNet, followed by a testnet, and ultimately a mainnet. The initiative aims to unlock growth and innovation within the Ethereum landscape. The deBridge Foundation has been established to support the growth of decentralized finance and its governance structure. The foundation has launched the DBR checker, allowing community members to view DBR tokens earned from Season 1 deBridge points. The total supply of DBR is set at 10 billion, with an initial circulating supply of 1.8 billion. The distribution of DBR tokens will occur in two tiers, with the top 10% of Season 1 points holders receiving 50% of their DBR at launch. Claiming of DBR tokens will commence once they are tradable on exchanges. The Foundation encourages community members to check their eligibility for future DBR claims. Georgios Konstantopoulos announced the release of Reth 1.0, a new Ethereum execution client, after nearly 2 years of development. This release is aimed at RPC providers and stakers, encouraging them to adopt Reth for its speed and stability. Konstantopoulos also introduced the Reth compiler, which converts EVM bytecode into native code, achieving significant performance improvements. The team advocates for a shift in performance metrics from transactions per second to gas per second. Reth AlphaNet, a testnet, was launched to facilitate high-performance experimentation. The developments are part of a broader effort to enhance Ethereum's scalability and efficiency. A thread by @Mikey0x provides an overview of the prediction markets landscape, highlighting new teams and projects. It categorizes prediction markets into non-sports and sports, with Polymarket leading in non-sports events. New entrants focus on permissionless market creation and AI-driven resolution mechanisms. In sports betting, the challenge is converting users from traditional sportsbooks. The thread notes the potential for leveraging bets in both categories, the STI, with projects exploring this avenue. The rise of meme coins as prediction markets is also mentioned. The future may involve AI agents managing bets efficiently. A recent poll by Mercury Analytics reveals growing interest in cryptocurrency among Democratic voters, coinciding with Vice President Kamala Harris's nomination for president. The poll found that 13% of respondents are not supporting Harris, with some leaning towards Trump due to perceived hostility from the Biden administration towards crypto. Financial privacy is a significant concern, with 72% agreeing that personal financial transactions should remain private. The interest in crypto is pronounced among voters of color. Looking ahead, 27% of Democrats who haven't invested in crypto plan to do so within the next year. Concerns about losing access to financial services under a potential second Trump administration are prevalent. A significant portion of Democrats believe it is important for the US to lead in cryptocurrency and fintech innovations. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay safe.